Good afternoon, my name is John Tran and I'm honored to be a candidate for the Community Action Commission representing District 1. For the past 4 years, I have served as a volunteer site coordinator for the VITA program at Caesar Safe Community Center. Through this work, I have seen firsthand the challenges our community face and the impact that financial education and economic stability programs can have on families. As a commissioner, I will advocate for financial literacy and well-being opportunities for low-income individuals, strengthen outreach efforts to ensure CAP service reach those who need them most, promote community partnerships to expand support networks in District 1, encourage volunteerism and civic engagement to enhance CAP impacts. I'm committed to serve our community with integrity, dedication, and a passion for empowerment. I ask for your support to bring positive change to District 1. Thank you.